Hey, what's going on everyone? In this video we are going to see how to find out your product and then order on Alibaba. Now first of all you have to find out what product you're gonna buy from Alibaba. So there are some tools you can use to find it out. I particularly use Seek Analytics in this one. If I want to, currently I am interested in buying iPhone cases. So I'm just gonna type iPhone case and see which one is selling the most. And I'm looking in Canada, so you can see it has a good potential of selling. It's 1051%. And now total sold, this is the one I'm interested in. I want to see who is selling the most. It seems like this guy has a lot of sales, like 4252, and this guy is second. So I'm gonna just see the first guy and see he's selling like $3 and $1 shipping. It's like total cost $4, and he's selling a lot. I can see that even in March he sold a whole lot. The price is reasonable. Even I am also even thinking about buying from this guy because it's very cheap. Now let's say you wanna buy this, but I'm not gonna double check anyway. Like I'm gonna go to Terapic and double check this one. Here I am gonna particularly go to Canada since I am in Canada. This one is .com, so I go to .ca and paste this product. I'm gonna sell new, fixed price, and best offer accepted. In this category I'm gonna search. Let's use your last 30 days research, and it has like 70.27% sell-through rate. It means it's really good product to sell. If your product is like, whenever you're selling on eBay, you have to see whether the sell-through rate is above 40%. Even if it's above 40%, it's a good product. Now this is like 70.27%, so this is a really good product. Now what we are going to do is we are going to search the same product in Alibaba. I'm going to go to alibaba.com, and also I'm going to just serve this page here, the future usage. I'm going to just grab it and put it here. Okay, now here I search this product, exact same product, search. Now you can see we are getting bunch of options. Now the next thing we are going to do is we are going to find the best people to buy from. The main thing you have to look is the years, how many years, because sometimes if it's very new, they are not very reliable. Like the good thing about Alibaba is if they don't follow Alibaba rules, it will kick them out from this Alibaba. So if they are in Alibaba for like longer, it means they are good. Like they are like surviving long. I mean the company is good. So we have to see at least minimum 5 years. This one is 13 years, so this is definitely good. So I'm gonna just look for the suppliers who are above 5 years, and I'm gonna send them messages. Now I'm gonna show you the message pattern I use. This is the one. Dear supplier, I hope you are doing great today. My name is Theriban and I have an online store which sells mainly phone products which are based in Canada, but we are shipping worldwide. I am very serious about starting a long-term business relationship with your company. What is your minimum order of quantity and how much will it be for 10 pieces of this iPhone covers, mixed colors? I'm gonna avoid mixed colors iPhone covers because this is like clear phone I'm ordering, so I'm gonna just avoid that. Plus shipping to Canada using DHL or FedEx. Will you be able to reply me with the total amount please, as I am currently contacting other suppliers? Your speedy reply will be much appreciated. Okay, so now I copy this and then go to the supplier. Here I click this one, and then here we have the option called contact supplier, and then I'm gonna just Okay, first I had to sign in Alibaba to do this. Okay, it's coming out here. Okay, now please select certification none, material none, Apple iPhones color none, and I'm gonna just paste. Dear supplier, okay, send your inquiry now. Okay, it's actually sending automatically, but I'm gonna send it individually anyway. Send inquiry and submit. Okay, this is like okay. I'm gonna just send it to this guy. Submit. iPhone is a sensitive word, can't be used. Okay, it mean I have to delete iPhone wherever I see iPhone here. I'm gonna see, let's see, phone covers. Okay, now let's submit. Yeah, that was success. So I cannot use iPhone in. Okay, I delete that one. I'm copy this one, and I'm gonna do this until I realize I'm reaching the same supply, because after you doing for a while, it's gonna be the same supplier you wanna submit to again and again and again. So you will know by doing that lot, like you realize you're contacting the same suppliers. Now I contact this guy. Apply fonts, colors none. I send inquiry and slide to submit. Okay, iPhone. Oh, still iPhone is there. Maybe picture basing via some phone covers person. Oh, here it came automatically. iPhone. Okay, now send like that. We are gonna keep on sending it until somebody reply. So that's it basically. Like we keep on doing that until we realize we are doing it for the same people again and again. And when they contact, you can actually choose which one is better, which one is like seems to be better, because faster whoever responding you faster must be the better one, because you can talk a lot of things. If it goes wrong, like they will respond quickly. That's it. That's all I want to talk in this video. I hope you guys find this video helpful. Thanks for watching. See you guys on the next video.